Pregnant mom and child go to mall. Suddenly, she feels pain. The child is stressed and crying. Mother falls on the floor. Child is running for help. Child asks for help. The ambulance arrives. Mother is laid on a stretcher. Child calls his father. Father gets shocked. Father rushes to the hospital. Both father and child are crying. Getting the operation room ready. The operation has begun. Father is very tense. A cute baby is born. Both mother and baby are fine. Both father-child are happy. Father hugs mother. All family are very happy.